Hello, my friends. And in this video, we are going to add another library into Android applications. And this time, we are going to use Android PDF Viewer. So we can go to the Android www.github.com/bracket/sc/Android PDF Viewer. Or you can search on Google and you get this link, Android PDF View. Before we start, if you want to learn Android app development, Java, Kotlin, data structures and algorithms, and other programming courses, you came to the right place. Hit subscribe to join our family and hit the bell to ensure that you don't miss any lesson. This library will display PDFs rendered by the PDF Android. This is a library for PDF display. So our main purpose of this library is using it to display a PDF viewer. Also, this library for displaying PDF documents on Android with animations, gestures, zoom, and double tap support. Okay? If you scroll down here, we go to the installation. If you want to master Android app development in both Java and Kotlin languages, learn Java from zero and learn Kotlin from scratch, master data structure and algorithms in C and Java, join my Udemy bestseller courses to start publishing your own apps. Get the coupons from the description below. And we see that add to build.gradle, or if you want to use more stable version, then add this. We prefer using this. Copy, and library is available in JCenter repository. Probably is not. It will be in Maven Central soon. Don't worry, we are going to implement this. When you see implementation, go to your Android Studio, add it into your build script. Android build Gradle scripts, and we see the module level, and we scroll down here and we implement it. So we click on sync now, and the Gradle will download this library and add it into your packages. Okay, this is very simple. So this is how to implement the PDF display video viewer or Android PDF viewer in Android application. Now, how to make use of this library? The library is still adding, so the Gradle is still building and adding the Android PDF viewer library. After Gradle have been finished this, we close it and we go to the main activity. I open the XML and I start copying this include PDF view in the layout. It's a normal view, like a text view or something. And this is the PDF view. So if we paste it here, tab here, I will remove this main activity file. And here we have this view. Now let's infer its constraints, and now it looks good. It have been inferred with the edges of the view. So this is our PDF view. Its ID is PDF view, and it's for the github.bracket/sc and the PDF viewer, exactly as the site. Now we have implemented the library and we have added the PDF view inside our layout. How to make and how to load a PDF file from our assets or file or link or anything. You can, if you scroll down here, you can see load a PDF file. All available options with default values, like the PDF view from URI. You can make a URI. You can make the PDF and read PDF from file. You can read the PDF from bytes, a byte stream or byte array. The from stream, input stream, from source, document source, Or from asset, you can make it from asset and you put it as a string. Here, the name of the asset. And here are the configurations of and the attributes that you may use, like pages. All pages are displayed by default. You can display specific pages. You can enable swipe. You can enable a swipe horizontal, double tap, the default page, enable night mode, render, and so on. So there are a lot of attributes that you can check by yourself. And the most important thing that I need to put .load in order to load the page. So I will download a dummy PDF. It's called dummy. If I open it, it would be a dummy PDF file. Okay, just putting text inside a dummy PDF. And I will go to the assets. So how to create an assets folder. So in order to create an asset, we go to the app, new, and we go to here, to the folder, assets folder. We select not to change folder location, and the target source is the main. We click finish. The assets folder have been created correctly, but where it is, if we go to the project, it will be appearing. So the app, we go to the source, the main, the resources, and we have here, it should appears in the main, or you can simply go to create an explorer here, how to create a resource folder inside the src main. We create a new folder called assets and we click OK. And after that, I will paste the dummy PDF. Okay, so the assets folder have been appears here, and here is the PDF that I'm going to display. This is the dummy PDF. Okay, now according to the documentations, we can add a PDF from asset, display it from the asset. So first of all, let me create and instantiate the PDF viewer. So the PDF viewer, I will make an instance from it by making a PDF viewer, PDF view equal to find view by id r.id.pdf view. I have imported the package of it, which is here. Okay, now PDF view from asset, and here is the name of the string, which is dummy, the same, exactly the same as the file, and .pdf. It's a case sensitive, guys. If you don't specify here the correct name of the PDF and its extension, it would not load anything. Okay, so .load. If there is any other things that you should make, nothing. Okay, load PDF. Let's run and see. Please support us, guys, by rating us 5 stars and supporting our course by sharing it with your friends. And we are going to expand this course to make it the biggest course on the universe. So here we go. This is our PDF file. Okay, we have displayed it. I will use another PDF file in order to make it very clear. I will copy this heap PDF. This is a part of my data structure and algorithms course. You can find it on Udemy. And this is the heap. This is the heap PDF. You see, guys, I need to display it inside my activity. I should specify exactly the name of it, heap.pdf, and I will click run. Let's see. Here is the PDF, and we have correctly implemented it. By the way, you can get free coupon for the data structure and algorithms. Just message me to send you a free coupon. Thank you guys. We have implemented this new library called PDF, Android PDF View, and we have learned the main goal of this video about adding external libraries